What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Dtlr 9060 Glow. Let's get into it. First, you're starting out with the box. You got the all gray box with the NB on top. Nothing on that side. You got your NB New Balance on this side. But then we're going to get to the front of the box, and as we all know, they don't really give us a description. It just says 9060 gray. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much nothing. Same insides, nothing going on the inside. Same cream tissue paper on the inside. You got New Balance. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Dtlr 9060 Glow. Alrighty, starting off with these by saying these are nice. Loving these nice loud colors. It's like giving you all kind of summery vibes, spring summery vibes. Loving the greens, the neon greens and the infrareds that they got going throughout. And I love the way it matches up nicely with this nice different shades of gray. Overall, it's a very clean colorway, and as we all know, 9060s, they've been hitting as of late. They've been doing their thing. New Balance, you did good when you got us these 9060s right here. So these, like I said, very nice. It's exclusive colorway for Dtlr. As we all know, Dtlr has had a couple exclusives. They had the 990s. I think they had a 993. But now they got the 9060s, and these right here, like I said, are very nice. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said before, as you can see, you got this all different shades of gray going throughout the upper of the shoe. You got this nice mesh material on top of the toe and this light gray colorway right there on top of the toe. And then it's outlined with like that, like a smoke gray on the outline going around the top of the toe also. And that's like in that reflective suede material. You got this nice infrared right here, hints right here also on top of the toe. And those nice infrared hits, which is clean. Still got that nice mesh going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Got an N right here on the side. It's just a New Balance symbol with outlines upper black and that nice gray color. Still, you got these nice different tones of grays going throughout the upper of the shoe with the nice suedes and that mesh materials. You got these nice smoke gray eyelids right here. Then we're gonna come around to the heel of the shoe. You still got that nice infrared coming across the back of the heel, going all the way to the back of the shoe. You got that nice NB on top of the heel and that nice neon green color, which I think is very nice. Loving that neon green. Inside the shoe, you just got New Balance running and then neon green that's going throughout the whole insole of the shoe, and then it's still going around the sock liner also. Don't come back to the front where you got 9060 right here on top of the tongue, NB, but the tongue is leather, so you have a smoke gray on the tongue, which I think is very nice and clean. And then you got that hint of that 9060 NB right there. You got these nice neon laces, which I think is clean. Loving these laces, how they look on the inside of the shoe, very clean. Gonna come down to the midsole. You got these nice pods that's on every 9060 and that ABZORB materials, as we all know, which is clean. Still got that nice hook that's on every 9060 right there. It looks like it glows in the dark. I'm not sure if that part glows in the dark, but I know that the whole bottom glows in the dark, which I think is very nice. Can't go wrong with a glow in the dark shoe, especially on a 9060. And I think that's just clean. I think that's just gonna bring these out with that just hint. It already looks nice without it glowing, so I can imagine how it look when it does glow. But to me, that just gives it just boosts the shoe up when they put that nice glow on the bottom of the shoe. Still with the same pods that's on the bottom, and then you got your New Balance on the bottom of the shoe also. Very clean shoe. I'm loving this colorway. Can't go wrong with this colorway right here. It's bright, nice, vibrant, very clean. That was the left shoe. Right shoe looks the same as that way. Same, all different color grades, tones going throughout the upper of the shoe, and that nice mesh material and that suede, and you got leather. So you got 3 different materials going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. all neon shoelaces, but they did come with extra laces, which I love. You did get a gray pair of laces, which I think is clean, and then you got an infrared pair of laces also. These right here are gonna pop. These infrareds, I think these really gonna pop when you put those in there, so I'm definitely gonna have these in there just because I like my shoes to stand out and be different, you know, just not be as plain. So that's gonna definitely stand them out. But on a day that I wanted to be plain and keep it toned down, I would definitely throw these grays in here, and I think they would be very, very clean also. But like I said, you got 3 different sets of laces. You got the neon green, the gray, and then you got these infrared laces right here, which I think is very nice. Love a shoe that comes with extra laces. It makes me feel like I'm getting my money's worth. But overall, very nice, very clean. Back of the tongue, got that infrared colorway also. Still got that nice glow on the bottom with those pods. And then you got that nice little hook in the back that looks like it might glow also. Not sure, but I definitely let y'all see that when I do put them on foot and make them glow. So y'all let me know in the comment below what y'all think about these. They came out today, which is June the 16th. They retail for $160 in the GS sizes and $175 in the men's sizes. Sizing wise, I went true to size on these, so I pretty much go true to size on all my 1960s. So true to size, you should be good, but if you have a wide foot, you might want to go up a half a size. But overall, true to size, and you should be good to go with these. But overall, very nice, clean shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them today, or did you pass on them? Like I said, dropped on Dtlr site today. They sold out pretty quick. I was able to get mine in store. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So y'all just let me know what y'all think about these. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Are they a hit for the summer or not? Y'all let me know. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.